What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video at the Ideal Auto Factory, where we're going to be working on a C7 Vette, and it's a daily driver. So this one's kind of special because this car has been back 3 times now. Not because I'm doing horrible work, but because it's getting wrapped piece by piece. This is a full wrap stretched out over weekends because the owner does not have his second vehicle yet. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started prepping the vehicle. The door panel's coming out for the mirror, for the mirrors to come off so we can wrap the doors, and we're gonna get this car black. So, thank you. Keep God first. Enjoy the video. Oh, got the grommet. There we go. Mirror's out. And I wrapped this mirror. I actually thought this mirror was going to be a lot harder to wrap. The Challenger mirror is definitely the most challenging mirror. Ha. See what I did there? But it's out. Now we can wrap this. With all the dirt right there, we're gonna just wrap it straight. Dirt stays there. It leaves a nice indentation for whatever you're trying to do.
Helps you line it up after.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna clean this up. Don't need to, oh, come on, little guy. That goes in there. I think I pulled that out wrong last time. How does this go back?
It doesn't, it just hangs.
It just, okay.
Panel holds it down.
First Corvette, like first Corvette ever. So it's nice learning this stuff. Oh well, that's done now. I'm gonna tape off the stuff over there, and then I'm gonna switch sides to the Stingray stuff again, and then we're gonna get some nice time lapse going, aren't we?
Cool.
Not who? Oh man. What's up? Little post edit insert. That was Blake that you guys saw in the video. He's someone that helps me out when I'm rapping. He does get paid to do the things that he does. And I know sometimes it may seem like I'm doing this all by myself. And there have been countless, can't even place a number on it, times where I've done it by myself, full raps and things like that. But it does help when you have the right people to help you. So I just want to introduce you guys. That's Blake. He's been around for a couple raps, and I've had other people help me too. Don't think it's just been always me and him or me and some other guy. I just want you guys to know that's Blake because I don't think I said it in the video.
Yes, sir.
So now that the badge is off and cleaned up, you can, yeah, you're not picking that up on camera. It's like barely a lot from the residue and the paint and age, whatever. I'm going to put masking tape here on the shiny part. I'm still contemplating whether or not I'm going to inlay here on down or just run it as one flush piece. When that happens, all you do, like you don't even shortcut yourself and do one. What you do is you test to see which one works better. So what I'm gonna do is the harder one. I'm gonna put a test piece right there, and then I'm gonna do the little cut to make sure this doesn't get stuck on anything or overstretch, sorry. I'm gonna put the masking tape so it doesn't get stuck on anything. Put vinyl here, do the little cut right there or wherever I'm gonna do it. Why am I explaining this? Just watch the time lapse. All right, let's look. So I just did the test hit, and if I would have laid this whole fender, pulled it, stretched it, did whatever I was supposed to do, this is how it would look from the jump. So from time left, you saw it would have been nice and held here and all that. So when you go in here and push down, even if I cut it perfectly and did a perfect cut where it was supposed to be, I have all of this to make down there, right? And then I got still a one piece, so I can't cut all the way down. Don't worry about that. That's irrelevant. It all starts right here. So I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. I get all this looking nice here, but then depending on how I make this cut, I could be off by, it could be less than an inch and I lose all of my accountability or my credibility on making this edge right there, this edge right here. And even if I took this out, even if I took this whole vent out, I'd still have to push this all the way in there. And that's just too tight of an area for me. Some of you guys, you probably done vets all day long, whatever. This ain't about you right now. But if you want to make a video and show the way, because I've gotten to a point now, sometimes I don't need to watch YouTube. I understand the quality I'm presenting to my customer, and therefore I can think through these things and not just be a YouTube rapper, I guess, whatever that means. But yeah, so I'm gonna put an inlay here, straight line here, use the body line, put that right there, and then I'm going straight down, all the way down there, and then knife was right there. Yes, sir. I have finished the Stingray little inlay piece, and wasn't bad at all. I'm going to flip the camera and show you what it did. Pretty much made a line here inside the body line there. I'm going to use the little triangle little tool to make that nice right there. But pretty much this lip right here is where I made my cut. So I made my cut. Don't mind my fingers. Look at the tip of the squeegee. I made my cut like right on this radius here. And because of that, and the fact that this is non-stick, it's textured plastic. Now that I made that cut there with a fresh blade and light pressure, I'm able to go like this and tuck everywhere. So as soon as I do this from the back and then push forward like this, all of that's when all of the vinyl that's right here slides into there. Slides into there. And it gets a little tighter at the top because, you know, there's actual clips where they should be. And that's why this little piece won't stick. And that's why it's all loose and stuff. It's just how parts work. We get all the way down there, we did the same thing. And then now I'm gonna put tape here because this is different. This is gonna stick. So if I try to do this, if I try to do the same motion like I did down here with this part, I'm gonna cut it. And I'll have vinyl right here and vinyl right there, but nothing will tuck in. And that's gonna look tacky because then you'll see a red line. Oh. All right, it's day 2. I officially need a haircut. It's early in the morning. I'm about to get this quarter panel wrapped, and then I'm gonna do the front fender. I'll show you guys the other side because I did all of this already. Did all of that already, so you can see some red in there. All of that stuff will be gone when this car is finally complete. It's just not enough time right now, and the customer still daily drives the car, so we're not going to finish it today. It'll come back next weekend, and I'll get the rest done. So without further ado, here is the time lapse for the rear quarter panel, or rear fender as some would say, and then I'll do the front fender as well. I already did the door. Doors are pretty self-explanatory, but nonetheless, let's get started. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You saw me in the time lapse. I did finish the fender. The fender's finished. I would love to take a picture of the full car, but it's not completely wrapped, and I just don't feel right doing that. So yeah, y'all guys stick around for the next video. Thank you for watching. Keep God first. I'll catch you on the next video.